Hello everyone, my name is Lailul Fitriah. You can call me Fitri. Today I will explain about teaching language as interaction among people. The definition of teaching language as interaction among people is language learning and teaching can be an exciting and refreshing interval in the day for student and teacher. There are so many possible ways of stimulating communicative interaction, yet all over the world, one still finds classrooms where language learning is a tedious, dry-a-dust process devoid of contact with the real world in which language use is natural as breathing. How do EFL or ESL teachers provide opportunities for students to interact in English? Some teachers follow up pre-communicative activities with what Little would call communicative activities, as a way to illustrate what communicative activities are and how they can follow pre-communicative activities. Let's return to my observation on food item and preferences. For example, do you like cake? Yes, I do. And how about makes an interactive classroom interactive? Factors contributing to making classroom interactive include the first, reduction in the centrality of the teacher. Second, an appreciation for the uniqueness of individuals. Next, chances for students to express themselves in meaningful ways. 4. Opportunities for students to negotiate meaning with each other and the teacher. The last, choices, within relation to what students say and how they say it. Each student brings to classroom unique language, learning, and life experiences, both successful and unsuccessful, as well as feelings about these experiences. Also, providing chances for the student to express themselves in meaningful ways potentially contributes to creating an interactive classroom. Students need chances to listen to each other, express their ideas in speech and writing, and read each other writing. And about negotiation of meaning needs to become the norm, and while negotiating, students need chances to ask for and receive clarification, confirm their understanding, generally ask questions and respond to questions, and reach to responses. What about experiences do EFL or ESL students bring to the interactive classrooms? Some students experience a functional curriculum in which they study about and practice the function of language. For example, how to make requests, ask for information, make a suggestion, complain about something, agree or disagree, and so on. Usually, the class follow a text, and with some teachers, students practice using the function of language to express themselves through dialogue, practice, role plays, and other activities. And these roles are native and near-native English-speaking EFL or ESL teachers expected to play. One role we are expected to take on that of language authority. We are sometimes expected to explain complex rules of English grammar, suggest the differences between static and dynamic form, or how adjective or adverb differ. And these problems do some EFL or ESL teachers face when teaching English as interaction among people. The kind of problem teachers have that block them from teaching English as interaction among people. I also provide suggestions on how teachers might resolve this problem. The first problem is bandwagon. A problem can occur in EFL or ESL classroom when teachers jump on the latest methodological bandwagon. The second problem is overly anxious. And the last problem is the engagement. As I pointed out earlier in this chapter, promoting interaction in the classroom covered that the teacher step out of the limelight. Okay, that's all from me. Explanation about teaching language as interaction among people. Thank you for your attention and see you.